Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. Today we're looking at this, which is Ultimate Fire Tinder. So this comes to us from Procamptek. I've checked out their items over the years. Awesome fire starters. And basically, as I've talked to my friends over at Procamptek, they're saying this is one of the best products they've ever made. And so as you can see, it's a very finely ground, fluffed up tinder. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start this with different ignitions. So I've got a little sparking wheel from Exotac, I got a fire steel, I got a lighter, and then we're gonna also soak it. We're gonna pour water all over it and see how well it works even when it's wet. So it says right on the front, waterproof, fast ignition and wind resistance, stays burning in storm level conditions, lights easily with flint, ferrocerium, fire steel, or flame, compact for long burn times, fluff material for larger, hotter flame. So that's all it says on the front. There's the back. You can see it is sealed, so you can use it and then reseal it. Let's readjust the camera and see if we can get some fire started. All right, first test is going to be with this Bic lighter, and let's see how long this runs. All right, so it's smoking now, so it's still burning slightly, but no flame, but 2 minutes and 46 seconds with a flame. And then you can see I've just kind of turned it over a little bit. I didn't fluff it up or move it at all when it was burning. So had I done that, some of these under portions that were not burnt would have caught on fire too. But 2 minutes and 46 seconds with that tiny amount of the Ultimate Fire Tinder. All right, we're gonna hit it with a spark now from the Exotac Fire Steel. Now we're not going to time this one, but you can see it definitely works using a fire steel as well. All right, we're going to hit it with a spark now from the Nano Spark, also from Exotac. That works as well. All right, so let's add some water to this and see how water resistant it is. It's floating away on me here. Let me turn this over in the water. A little bit more on it. A little bit more. So it is still sitting in the water. I've definitely flipped that over a bunch of times. Got an Exotac fire rod. Let's see what we can do here. So you can definitely hear it sizzling, but it's lighting. All right, so obviously if this was a real survival situation or I had to get a fire going camping, I would be fluffing this up right now to, try to expose any spots that were mildly dry. But I'm just gonna leave it here and you can see it's burning. Let's see if we can get that whole thing burning without touching it. All right, let me move it around a little bit here just to show how, adjusting it might help a little bit, finding some spots that maybe are a tiny bit drier. Let me tell you my experience from probably the past, 3-4 minutes. So I poured water on it, I lit it. It burned so long that I went to Amazon to look up their products. I went to the Procamptek website to look up their products. I found out that it's $8.99 for a bag. You can get a patch for $6.49 if you want to get Procamptek patches or fire kit patches as well. I took a video for Instagram. I took some photos. I took my cover photo, my thumbnail photo for the video. So I had plenty of time while that thing was burning. The product just works. Their products have been great for as long as I've used them, and this is another great product. So Ultimate Fire Tinder from Procamptek, you can get a bag about this big or this big for $8.99, and it's an awesome product. So highly recommend. Their products are things that I put in all of my survival kits, fire kits, because they're great. So it's easy to stand behind a product like this because it works so well. So I'm just going to send you over to their website. I've got links down below in the description section. It's procamptek.com. I'm not getting a kickback. There's no affiliate program. I love their product. It's awesome. So highly recommend it. Ultimate Fire Tinder from Procamptek. All right, guys. Thanks as always for checking out the videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter. Check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care. I've checked